going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you could, before we start this video, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. It really helps me out. So we're in the middle of December and we have a 60-degree day, so I figured we'll try and take advantage of it and try and catch some fish. I don't have much time, the sun's already going down, but yeah, we'll see what we can do. Hopefully we'll get on some fish. Alright guys, since I don't have a ton of time and I'm literally losing daylight by the second, I'm going to switch to a lipless crank, cover some water, and hopefully that will do the trick, I hope. Alright, well, this back cove gets a little shallower, and I'm hoping since the water's high, there's maybe some fish hanging back here. There we go, guys. Oh, that feels like a good fish too. Oh, he's swimming right at me. What do we got? Oh, he got heavier now that he's near the boat. Pickerel. Oh. Not huge, but didn't get skunked either. That's always a good day. Wow, he's cold. Alright guys, well, it's a fish. I guess this back cove kind of paid off like I thought. I figured it would be just the right depth for what I'm doing right now, so there's one. Let's see if we can get some more. Thanks for playing, buddy. See you later. Well, one of my favorite wintertime baits, just a little lipless 1/4 ounce gold with black back. Usually does pretty well for me, and it didn't disappoint me tonight, so let's see if we can get another one. I'm going to grab the Panfish plastic I have rigged up, and we're gonna go hit those dyeing pads over there and see if it'll produce any fish. Well, we got a little trout magnet jig head with a Eurotackle plastic. We'll see if it's helpful. I hope it is. Oh, there we go, guys. Fish on. The Panfish plastic pulled through. There we go. Doesn't feel half bad either. What do we got? Oh, big slab crappie. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I was hoping was back here. Get in. Yeah, baby. Look at that slab. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I was looking for. Oh, baby, look at that fish. That's a slab right there. What an absolute chunk. And what I'm hoping is, that's what did it, guys. A little Eurotackle plastic, trout magnet head. That's what did her. Look at that fish. I don't catch another fish tonight. Definitely made my night. See you later, pal. Thanks for playing. Well, that's what I came back here looking for. I had a feeling that if I can get something small down enough that I may be able to get on some big panfish. This pond has a lot of them. And is it? Oh, we got another one, guys. Here we go. It does not feel as big. Perch this time. But I figured if I could get something small down near those dead weeds and dead lily pads, there would be some fish around, and sure enough, this back cove has started to produce. So hopefully we can stay on. Thanks for playing, bud. Relax yourself. Let's see what's over here. There we go, fish on. Feels like another crappie. Oh, no, perch. Mr. Perch. A little bit better this time, though. Wow, would you look at that? I'm not sure what that fish has in his mouth, but it's pretty big considering the size of him. I mean, to be honest, I think it's another perch with a little bit of orange on the tail. Well, guys, that's exactly what that is. That's another perch in his mouth. Imagine that. You greedy, greedy fish. See you later, buddy. Well, I'll tell you, I've caught my handful of perch. Never have I caught a perch with another perch that it swallowed. So, that's a new one for me. And that fish really wasn't even that big. He was probably only, I don't know, 11 inches. But he ended up eating that perch, and I don't know, I'd say the one that he ate was probably a good 5 or 6 inches, so he ate a fish about half his size. That's pretty amazing. Well, guys, this is all I'm using, just the Eurotackle Eurogrub. There is a spot at the front of this pond that I kind of want to take a shot at, but my only concern is the fact that I've already lost so much light. And we're getting on some fish back here that if I leave these fish to find more fish, I could kind of shoot myself in the foot. So trying to debate, but another perch, smallest one of the night, I'd say, but fish nonetheless. See you later, buddy. Thanks for playing. Alright, there is a tree in the water over here, so I'm gonna move this way a little. We're gonna make a couple casts at this, and I got another section of pads that I can work right there, so oh boy, that was a bad cast. I'm really just trying to work the area that I'm in, and like I said, catch what I can, because the sun is, oh, I just had a bite. The sun is gone, so I am on borrowed time at this point, and we got a fish though. Just fighting like a sunny. Whoa. Nice bluegill. pretty looking fish, especially in those winter colors. I'll call it up. See you later, buddy. Thanks for playing. Alright, we're getting on some fish. The moon is out right now, so I don't know if you guys can see that up there, but moon is officially out. And Bob is swimming away, sinking. Whoa, 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 whoa. What is going on? Aren't you a feisty little fish? Oh, that's funny. Oh. We figured out the pattern in here. At least with the panfish anyway, and on a night in December, I will take it. Thanks for playing, bud. Oh, that was probably one of the lightest bites, but whoa. Well, I just saw that bobber make the slightest little movement. Oh, came off right in the boat. Another little perch. One thing about these guys, they do enjoy the cooler weather, that's for sure. See you later, bud. Yeah, I gotta say, I don't mind catching them. Alright. Gotta make a fast move. Get these rods squared away. Into the rod holders. And we are gonna try and get over to that other spot. Not gonna give up just yet. Toss that in there. See if anything's chilling way up on there. We got a fish. There was something way up there. What is that? Big bluegill. Wow. Well, talk about a slab of a bluegill. That thing's almost a dinner plate. Nice. I'm gonna go down here. Yeah, the tip of this tree. Let's see if anyone's home. That kind of looked like it was taken off, but I don't know. Yeah, it was taken off. There we go. Fish on. What do we got? Another perch. Yeah, guys, there's a quick little look. Another perch. Get them back in the water quick. Seems like there's a lot of fish hanging by this tree. Yep. There we go. Fish on. What was that? Another perch. Slinging them in right now. Problem is the wind has shifted. Nice fish. See you later. The wind has shifted and now has me going too far in where I don't want to be. So I'm gonna have to get out of there. But it's loaded. They are loaded in here. Another one. I gotta get myself spun around because there's just a stack of them in there. Absolute stack of fish on that tree. on, get out of there. A little bit better one. See you later, buddy. Thanks for playing. What's up, babe? Pretty good. Getting on some fish. I mean, worst case, oh, I got a fish on. Hold on. I wasn't even moving it. I had it sitting under the ball because you called me, and go figure, I'm getting a bite right next to the boat. But yeah, I'm only like, I don't know, like it. All right, everyone, that's gonna do it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. We got on some fish, which I did a lot better than I thought I was going to be honest. I mean, we're in the middle of December. We got a 60-degree day. I mean, I'm in a sweatshirt right now and feel comfortable. And, you know, I'm catching fish on every cast and every other cast. So, kind of an unheard of day this time of year. But, like I said, I want to thank you all for watching. If you could, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And I will see you in the next one.